Hello everyone, welcome back to YouTube channel Sign Technologies. Hope you're all doing well since our last video. Today, in our new video, we are going to introduce you to our most trusted product FMCR, which is also called as Forensic Media Card Reader. The product is powered by our partner Digital Intelligence USA and sold by Sign Technologies in India. The objective of this video tutorial is to provide knowledge and functioning of the device. You'll also be able to gain the practical operational knowledge. So, as you all know, in digital forensics, integrity is the most important aspect to maintain when collecting any of the evidences on the crime scene. There can be many types of digital evidences found on the crime scene. That can be hard drives, computers, laptops, USB, mobile, memory card, SD card, etc. As in our previous video, we demonstrated the USB write blocker through which one can acquire a USB device. Similarly, FMCR is for media cards. FMCR is used to collect data in write blocked manner from media cards such as micro SD, compact flash, MMCs, etc. It also acts as a bridge between the host system and digital evidence. There is a list of supported media cards mentioned here, such as compact flash cards, Memory Stick Pro, Memory Stick digital cards, multimedia cards, etc. As you can see, this is the FMCR with the connection cable attached. This connection cable is used to establish the connection with the host system. There are several ports for inserting the card in the front. There are 4 slots: micro SD, compact flash, MMC and memory stick. Here on the right side of the product you can see these LEDs. One is for power and the other one is for read-only capability. Also, you can see the switch through which one can change the read-only to read-write mode. But note that it is not easy to switch the write capability on, as there are no protrusions on the button bulging out. It is plain. Now we'll show how to establish the connection. Through this connection cable we'll connect to the system. And you'll see the LEDs will light up. The power LED will glow up with green color and the read-only LED will show the red color. Now we'll show you one scenario where we'll connect the SD card through the normal adapter and to the host system. As you can see, I'm connecting this SD card to the SD adapter. Now when I open this particular drive, I see so many files and folders in this drive. I've already made the case demo for you, so I'll be clicking on the new folder. There's a demo Word document for you. I'll try to delete this demo Word document, and here I can get the option that to permanently delete it. Now I'll do some changes in this Word document. Suppose I've written my name again here and I try to save it. Now when I open the properties of this Word document, I can see that the created date and the modified date is different. What this means that I have done some kind of modification in the Word document, which shows the tampering has been done. Now I'll select any of the picture and click on delete, and then you can see that I am able to delete it. So as you have seen, when I'm using the normal SD card adapter, I can change anything in the SD card which is there. Like I can edit the files, I can add the new files in it, I can delete any of the files. This is where the roles of Forensic Media Card Reader comes. This time, I'm inserting the same SD card again into the FMCR. And let's perform the same actions which we did in the SD card adapter. Now I'll open the demo document again and try to edit something. I'm typing Sign Technologies here. And then I'll try to save the document. As you can see, the pop-up is coming, which is showing that it cannot be saved or the changes cannot be made as the disk is write protected. Now again I'll try to save it. The another pop-up will come that you need to store in the another location. Now I'll see the properties of the document and you can see the modified date remains same. In next step, I'll try to delete the picture. When I try to delete the picture, you'll see there is no option showing of deleting it. I'll try to copy a file and to paste in the same SD card. But it is showing the disk is write protected. I hope you all have understood the use and working of FMCR in digital forensics to maintain the integrity. Also, I hope you all found the video enjoyable. See you in our next video session. Till then, like, share, subscribe our YouTube channel and stay connected for further updates.